Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how to make Spotify widget. So if you are using iOS like me, so just tap on the screen and hold, and you can see the add button in the top right corner. Just tap on it and search for the widget. So just type Spotify, tap on it and select widget you like here. Select widget option here you like. So just tap on add widget and the widget has been added. That's how to make a Spotify widget on your phone screen. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.